Yo, I thought life was a game, just hit start. Wanted a mansion, wanted to look smart. I pressed the big red button for the cash flow, but the charts went red and the funds got low. Crypto or gold, I haven't got a clue. The tax monster's coming, what am I gonna do? In Voxel City, everything is square. I just wanna be a billionaire. Welcome to the CapitalCraft Lab. Hey! Solving every glitch, putting cash on the map. Welcome to the CapitalCraft Lab. Milo breaks the system, Blockwell fix the gap. From melting coins to falling stocks, we learn the truth among the blocks at the CapitalCraft Lab. At the CapitalCraft Lab. Hold your horses, kid. Don't you panic yet. Money isn't magic, that's a losing bet. Shortcuts are traps. Patience is the key. Stop looking at the price. Listen to me. Inflation, supply, and the market demand. I'll teach you how to survive in this land. The rules are simple if you use your brain. Stop pressing buttons or you'll go down the drain. Okay, Prof, I get it. So can I press the green button now? No, Milo, that's bankruptcy! Oops, too late! The CapitalCraft Lab. Subscribe now!